even stay on. Now, I've been having the hardest time trying to get this bike to start. Like I said, it's been sitting for a couple months, so I figured I'd just go ahead and start by taking off the carburetor, start there, seeing if the jets are clogged at all, clear those things out, spraying it down with some carb cleaner, and then I'll put it back on, and we'll see if that helps at all. Here you can see I'm just about to have the carburetor out now. I figure it's best to just speed through the process because it can be a little bit annoying getting into some of the lines. Looks like the spring is looking good. The little needle in there, looking good. Go ahead and take off the filter. Then we'll unscrew the bowl. Gas is going everywhere. But I got a bucket, so it's all good. Alright, so I put my filter back on, put the thermal cable back on, gas line, coolant line coming in to the other coolant line is also back on, hooked up to the motor, got my gas open. Is there gas in here? Should be good. So after realizing that I probably had my Ruckus sitting for a month or two, the fuel probably went bad. As you see, it's kind of pea yellow. So I just want to dump it out and we'll go ahead and give a brand new fuel. After that, I don't see any reason why she shouldn't start up. Look how yellow the fuel got up inside the gas tank. So I'm glad I went ahead and got some new fuel. I went ahead and got this stable fuel stabilizer. That way it can last about 24 months if I do decide to let it sit for a little bit. But I'm definitely make sure I start it damn near every day if I can, so that doesn't happen again, honestly. All right, just load her up with some new fuel. So should be good now. Now, I'm not sure why, after all that, the bike still didn't start. I'm guessing it's a fuel filter. I went to Reddit and stuff, and I saw a lot of comments stuff about how the fuel filter always goes bad, and that's one thing I have yet to change on this bike, so maybe I'll start there for the next video.